What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. I am super excited for today's video because if you've been watching the other videos, you know what today is. Today is Honda CRX day. If you're new to the channel, then you probably don't know about my CRX. Let me tell you about it real quick. This project started about 2 years ago. It started as what was going to be a quick, simple build. I bought it off of a local guy. Ironically, a friend, Donovan, used to own it. He owned it for a number of years. It's actually the first Honda I ever rode in, if you believe that. I wanted to do a simple build, but typical me, getting carried away with everything. We ended up doing on the Honda CRX, we did a custom paint job. I wanted to go with like kind of a golf theme, so we did the orange engine bay, the blue exterior. We did K20 A2, we did a CRV transmission, and rear differential. I'd love to have used a wagon one, but I couldn't find one anywhere. Monster axles, did the clutch, we did everything. ID1000 injectors, like the list goes on. K20 Turbo, or no, sorry, not K20 Turbo, a GT35 Turbo, eBay intercooler. Anyway, so today we're gonna start working on the car to finish it. This project started 2 years ago. My friend Serge had the car for a period of time of about 2 years. Never got around to finishing it, he's a busy guy. So I have the car back now and I'm gonna finish it. I'm gonna take it on the street. I would love for you guys to drop a comment. Let me know what kind of videos you wanna see with this car. The sky's the limit, we could do anything. I'll put it on tracks and take it off-roading. Would that be awesome? A 500 wheel horsepower CRX off-roading, that'd be cool. It's actually one of my better ideas. I like the sounds of that. We might do that. Okay, let's go check it out. And this is the CRX. So as I said, K20 GT35 Turbo, made 508, I think, for the tire. I'll drop some videos in the description and you guys can check it out of when we were building it. There's about 10 or 11 videos. We're gonna put some carbon mirrors on it. There's a window seal on the other side that has to go on. We're gonna lift the car up a little bit because these tires do rub. We're gonna get some expanded aluminum for the back bumper. And then I think we're gonna get it out on the street. Serge, good morning, buddy.
Hello, everybody.
How are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Good. So I told them yesterday we're getting the CRX ready for the street.
Yep.
I noticed you painted back here already. You painted that black.
I sure did.
Sure helps it out a lot.
It does.
We need to get some expanded mesh there, or expanded aluminum, and fill that in.
Yeah,
right?
we can do that.
I want to dial the suspension up a little bit because it is low and it is rubbing on the tires.
Yeah, you can. There's evidence.
Oh yeah, there's evidence there. Yeah. So let's dial that up a little bit.
Yeah. I was thinking of dialing up quite a bit and then softening up because when I drove it, it was like really, really stiff.
Yeah, I drove it last year in two-wheel drive and it was crazy stiff.
So yeah.
Yeah.
Adjust that.
One other thing that I picked up was this box over here. So that's going to keep you busy for a while.
What's in the box?
Little gift from Ryan Ogman.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, see?
That's nice.
Race pack, GPS, speedo and everything, so.
Well, this is the one you were telling me about
Yes.
when I bought the car.
Yes.
Oh,
so Ryan
has
had that sitting for over 2 years.
Okay.
So we'll get that.
We'll put it to use.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Yeah, this looks good. Oh, the phobia's all gone off here.
Yes.
Yeah.
So we gotta repaint because when I was washing it, just peeled off.
Yeah, it'll do that. So cool. What else was there?
I don't know, we'll find something.
Yeah, there's a whole list. I picked up some carbon mirrors.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so I do have carbon mirrors for it.
That'd be cool.
Yeah, I think so. A little bit of carbon on the car, right?
Yeah. There's the window trim.
There's the window trim. Yeah, there's some other stuff too.
There's a few things.
Yeah, we'll walk around it and check it out. But yeah, let's get going. Hey Sergis, why don't we, before we get too carried away, just start with maybe mounting this ECU? What do you think?
Well, we have found an AWD plug on
there's an AWD
on a CRX.
On a CRX, you don't see that every day, do you?
No.
No, okay, let's keep going with that. What do you got there, Sergis?
As you know, it's always good to cut things out of cardboard before you cut it out of steel.
So you're installing the dash pack? Is that what you're doing?
Yes, I am.
A race pack?
So,
okay, what's your plan?
This is gonna go here.
Right.
And it's got brackets back there.
Okay.
And bolt back there.
Okay.
Then the race pack's gonna go onto there.
Okay.
And then this cover goes over top of everything.
Okay. All right. I hear you. I like that. Cool. Let's do it. just like that, we have it roughly test fitted in here. We're gonna get a little more shaving done, but for the most part, that's what it'll fit like. We'll get the steering wheel on there. Do a little more trim work. There's no power hook to it yet, but should look cool when you start looking at like the pillar pod and that and everything should look cool. And of course the gangster shifter. All right, let's keep on cruising. So I think the next plan after kind of looking at this from outside the car is if you look over there, you can see through there. So I think we're gonna build a little plate to go there, and that should straighten that out. And then we'll get this thing wired up. The bracket's all done. Now, the favorite part, let's dig into the wiring, which on this actually isn't too bad, to be honest with you.
It shall not be.
It shall not be. So, and then, and only then, I'm gonna take it outside and do some donuts.
Yeah, I think we need this.
Yeah.
Maybe. For donuts?
For donuts? Absolutely.
Yeah.
I need to know how fast I'm going.
Yes.
So
Exactly.
let's get into it.
Let's do it.
It's crazy, like these things look like they're so small, but they have so much information. It's actually big on them. Serge, I brought you the race pack, buddy. Big moment of truth.
Yeah, shall we see?
We should see. All right, let's see if hopefully we have no smoke. Surge. Ooh-wee. Look at that.
That definitely blinded me.
Yeah, it's pretty bright.
Should we see if the signal lights work? Oh, look.
Look at the signal lights work.
Left turn.
Yeah, right turn.
Right turn.
Oh, bud. Battery voltage.
Look at that. High beam.
High beams are working.
Oh yeah, battery voltage.
Very nice. Let's hook up a tap.
I mean, that's accurate for how cold it's outside. About -20.
It actually is probably
Kinda
not far
close.
off that. You know what? Hold on a second here. In fact, look at that. It's actually -28.
So we're not far off.
Feels like -35 with the wind. So, a bit different. So what the guys don't know is I actually have the car running behind me right now. I'm gonna try and take it outside without anybody noticing and rip some donuts beside the building. Should be good. Come on, Sergius.
What are you doing?
Nothing I shouldn't be doing.
Do you think it's a good idea taking this out?
I don't think it's a bad idea. It's got no heater in it and it's -30, but...
It's -20.
No, that's definitely not right. I don't think it's a bad idea. Let's, what do you want to follow?
I'll grab the door for you and
Okay.
then I'll get her.
You boys thought that wasn't a good idea. Graham, was that a good idea?
Oh yeah.
That was a great idea. It's pretty hot though, hey? Considering it's -30 outside. Pretty warm. Serge, you thought that was a good idea, or what did you think?
That was a good idea.
Overall went well?
That was a good idea for us.
Yeah, I thought it went well. Cool, what's next?
Test. Good.
We gotta get the GPS speedo going, which might have been working. I didn't actually look at it. But yeah.
Too busy trying to control it.
Yeah, it was a little slippery with 50 PSI in the tires. I think it was a bit much. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. There's gonna be more to come up with that car. Took me a year to build the car. Do all the good stuff, like, subscribe, share the video. I know there's a lot of Honda fanboys out there. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.